To learn how to make pinch twists, inflate a balloon for about 12 inches at the most. Start by making a first bubble, then a second one. Bend the balloon at that second bubble so that it is sticking out from your holding hand. Insert the index of your twisting hand under this second bubble to pull it slightly out of the way so that it's easier to hold between your thumb and your middle finger. Then, pinch the balloon at its base and twist it several times around. That's why we call it a pinch twist. And you'll get a bubble that looks like a bean or an ear. Now, let's practice some more. Make 2 more bubbles. Again, insert the index of your twisting hand under the last bubble, pull it a little bit out of the way, pinch it at the base and twist it around. Again, make 2 more bubbles. Insert the index of your twisting hand under the last bubble, pull it a little bit out of the way, pinch it at the base and twist it around. Now, you could still do it without pulling the bubble away with your finger. For example, here, I'm pinching, I'm twisting. Well, sure, it still works, but you could burst your bubble in the same time. You know, with bubble twisting, it's always better to avoid needless friction if you can. Better safe than sorry. Okay, now let's practice by making as many pinch twists as possible with the rest of this balloon. And this is the way you can make pinch twists.